Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Give it a coat of Harbor Blue. Which is kind of close to channel lock. We'll see how it works. Well, the paint's dry. Let's give it a third coat. Yeah, it has hardened, but it still will act as a spatula to put this stuff on. I could do a lot of pliers with this amount. I'm going to be able to coat, I don't know. Hard to say at this early stage, but at least 10 times more than what I've done up to this point. Now I'm going to put this on here, hoping that it doesn't cause the paint to peel. Doesn't appear to cause any kind of paint loss. I'm going to take a chance and just dip it once. Then we'll let it come over here and hang on the drying rack. There. Probably should have put the blue gloves on, but I was thinking that I didn't need to, and I got a little on my thumb. Seems to wipe off okay. I could coat 4 or 5 things at once and then have one drip onto the next. Okay, now let this hang over here close to the light bulb. Not too close, I don't want it to bubble. Now we'll see what happens. We'll know in the morning. I think this is a success. It's still textured, but you can't feel the grain, you can't feel the sharp edges of the grain. And the blue paint is below a layer of truck bed coating. So the blue layer is protected from being damaged. The truck bed coating didn't damage the paint. I was concerned that it was going to cause it to bubble up or wipe off or something, you know. But it stayed flat, no bubbles, no pops, no ripples, no wrinkles, no orange peel. It's just the texture of the truck bed coating. And that's what I was looking for. That's what I wanted. Now, I could get along without having the sand in the coating, but I don't know of a way to go about getting it out of there that wouldn't involve throwing away half of the can, which is very expensive. I mean, that little can there was on sale at $19.90. Plus I had to pay shipping. So it's not something that I want to just toss away. They're made in Japan. They're not a brand name. I mean, Kelco, I'm not familiar with that. That could just be my ignorance. But they're from the time when Japan had improved. They were no longer making poorly made tools. They were making good tools inexpensively. And these are very nice now. They've got a good grip on them. They feel comfortable in my hand. I'm going to take the buffing wheel, polish this up, shine them up like a new penny. They're going to be lovely. Six 3/4 inch long. Nice size for in a tool pouch. Nice polish on them. These are Relco pliers. I made a mistake and thought they were Kelco. R-E-L-C-O, made in Japan. Nice little pliers. Not bad cutting that for a pair of 7-inch pliers. Does a good job. Put a little wax on them. They take a really nice shine. And that truck bed coating works just great. Find it. I'm also very happy that the truck bed coating didn't cause it to ripple or pop. I was very concerned about it just running off of there like paint remover. Handy thing to have. These are going to go great in my tool pouch. They'll be handy to have, and the coating won't wear off. At least we're going to find out if it will. Good size, nice lightweight, still cuts great. I mean, I've cut coat hanger wire. Coat hanger wire is tough to cut. So, very happy. Relco 6 3/4 inch long pliers. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.